Cave architecture in ancient India. Cave architecture in ancient India. Current affair newspaper magazine. CCRT government.in. Art and culture. Visual art, architecture, sculpture, painting, poetry, handicraft, performing art, music, dance, theatre, puppetry, circus, martial art. Culture, religion, bhakti, Sufi movement, Indian philosophy, language and literature, cinema, calendar, fair and festival, award and institution, miscellaneous topic. Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity. Indian. Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, Islam, Christianity. Ancient architecture, cave, temple, pillars, stupas, sculptures, palace and fort. आर्किटेक्चर एंड स्कल्पचर में क्या अंतर है देख लेना नितिन सिंघानिया में. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ केव बेस्ड ऑन यूजेस, बेस्ड ऑन डिज़ाइन, origin, फेस, अदर एस्पेक्ट. टाइप ऑफ केव नेचुरल, आर्टिफिशियल, लोकेशन वेस्ट इंडिया, ईस्ट इंडिया. हु मेड इट, मर्चेंट, किंग, मिशनरीज. पर्पस चैत्या विहार. पार्ट ऑफ रॉक कट आर्किटेक्चर क्रिएटिंग ए structure by carving out of natural rock. Diverse and found in great abundance. More than 1500 rock cut structure in India. Religious character. Buddhist architecture. Chaitya. Chaitya क्या है? Place of worship for Buddhist and Jain monk. Rectangular prayer hall with stupa at center. Central Chaitya. Two aisles. Polished and ending of Chaitya was apsidal. Vihar. Monastery were excavated near Chaityas. Resident of monk in rainy season not have stupa. Chaitya मंदिर है, वर्शिप वाला प्लेस है बुद्धिस्ट और जैन दोनों के लिए, और अंदर में स्तूपा रहता था सेंटर में, और विहार रहने के लिए था चैत्या के बगल में रेनी सीजन में, और उसके अंदर में स्तूपा नहीं था. लेटर ऑन ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज ए टेम्पल. मल्टीपल इमेज वेर फाउंड इन केव. हाउ द origin of cave architecture took place based on design. Divided into 3 parts. First phase, 2nd BCE to 2nd century CE. Exclusively related to Buddhism, and Buddha was represented symbolically. Lotus wheel. Exclusively related to Buddhism, and Buddha was represented symbolically. Lotus and wheel. Ajanta, Karla, Bhanja, Khankheri, Nasik, Bedsa. Connection existed between religion and commerce, as a Buddhist missionaries often built monastery. Location near trade route. Commissioned by wealthy. Ajanta, Karla, Bhanja, Kanheri, Nasik, Bedsa. Connection exists between religion and commerce. As a Buddhist missionaries often built monastery. Location near trade route. Commissioned by wealthy. क्या क्या है एक बार. अजंता तो जानते हैं, कार्ला, भंजा, कन्हेरी, नासिक, बेदसा. अजंता, कार्ला, भंजा, कान्हेरी, नासिक, बेदसा. अजंता, कार्ला, भांजा, कन्हेरी, नासिक, बेदसा. Second phase, 5th century to 7th century CE. Buddha was personified. Vihar underwent some change. Buddha image included in Vihar. Rock cut cave temple. Third phase, Buddhist cave in form of Chaitya Vihara continued. Third phase, 7th century से 10th century CE. Buddhist cave in form of Chaitya and Vihar continue. Hindu cave and Jain cave also built during this period. Hindu cave and Jain cave also built during this period, located at multiple places. Design based on classification of cave architecture. Design based on classification of cave architecture. Evolution. First, it began with construction of Loma Rishi and Sudama cave in Barabar Hill by Ashok. It began with construction of Loma Rishi and Sudama cave. Loma Rishi and Sudama cave in Barabar Hill in Ashoka. Loma Rishi cave, Sudama cave. लोमा ऋषि केव, सुदामा केव कौन बनाया था? बराबर हिल. कहाँ बना था ये? बराबर हिल और अशोक बनवाया था. अशोका. These are the simple cave and cave run parallel to rock face after entry. These are the simple cave and cave run parallel to the rock face after entry. There was one rectangular room followed by smaller circular room. ये ऐसे, ये है इमेज. One rectangular room followed by smaller circular room. Phase second. Second stage showed up at Kondittivi. Cave was built perpendicular to rock face. Inner room now continued as a stupa and circumambulatory path around it. Design based on classification of cave architecture. Evolution. The next stage was when row of pillars were built parallel to wall, creating circumambulatory passage. Right after entering, the center roof was highly vaulted and side. ये क्या हो गया? Highly vaulted and side roof was low, half vaulted. Bhaja and Pital Khora Bhedsa cave are example. Bhaja Pital Khora Bhedsa cave are example. Bhaja Pital Khora Bhedsa. Bhaja Pital Khora Pital Khora Bhedsa. Bhaja Pital Khora Bhedsa are example. Sometimes cell rock cut beds were also cut around central wall. Example is Bhedsa cave. Sometimes cell rock cut beds were cut around central wall. An example is Bhedsa cave. Phase 4. During Satvana king, cave got royal patronage and become more elaborated and ornamented. The basic feature of previous phase continue. A variety of Minton couple were carved on the gate. Minton couples were carved on the gate. The pillar came to be have elaborated capital. Side roof become flat. Multi-storied cave came up. The double-storied vihar came at the Karle and triple-story at Ajanta. Double-story vihara came at Karle. Double-story vihara came at Karle and triple-story at Ajanta. Other example are Nasik cave, Junar cave, Kanheri cave, Pitalora. Origin, chronological development and design change divided into 3 phases. First phase, exclusively related to Buddhism. Buddha was represented symbolically, lotus and wheel. Ajanta कार्ला, भंजा, कान्हेरी, नासिक, भेदसा। अजंता, कार्ला, भांजा, 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 कान्हेरी, नासिक, भेदसा। अजंता, कार्ला, भेदसा, कान्हेरी, नासिक, भेदसा। अजंता, कार्ला, भांजा, कान्हेरी, नासिक, भेदसा। अजंता, कार्ला, भांजा, कान्हेरी, नासिक, भेदसा। अजंता, कार्ला, भेदसा, कान्हेरी, नासिक, भेदसा। अजंता, कार्ला, अजंता, ए के बी, अजंता, कार्ला, भांजा, कान्हेरी, नासिक, भेदसा। Connection exists between religion and commerce, as a Buddhist missionaries often built monastery located near trade route commissioned by wealthy. Second phase, Buddha was personified. Vihara underwent some change. Buddha image included vihar, rock cut temple. Third, 7 to 10th century, Buddhist cave in form of Chaitya Vihara continued. Hindu cave and Jain cave also built during this period, located at multiple locations. Cave 9, an early Chaitya hall. Entrance of Cave 9, Ajanta. Masta. In the 1st century BCE, some modified were made to stand to the standard plan of apsidal vault roof variety, where hall were become rectangular like Ajanta cave and stone screen wall as a facade. It was found at Bhedsa, Nasik, Karla, Kanheri. Bhedsa cave, Pune, Maharashtra, 1st century BC. There are two main caves. The best known as Chaitya prayer hall with comparatively large stupa. On other cave is monastery vihar. Bhedsa बुद्धिज्म का है, क्या कि यहाँ पे स्तूपा है. Trilogy of cave, Karla, Bhanje and Bhedsa in Mawal region of Maharashtra. Bhedsa cave, Pune, Maharashtra, 1st century BC. There are two main caves. The best known as Chaitya prayer hall with comparatively large stupa. The other cave is monastery Vihara. The other cave is monastery Vihara. Vihara are excavated in cave site. The plain of Vihara consists of veranda, a hall and cell around wall of the hall. Some of the important Vihara are Ajanta cave 12 में, Bedsa cave 11 में, Nasik cave इतना. Many of the early Vihara cave are carved with interior decorative motifs called Chaitya arch and Vedika design over the cell door. Yeah. Vihara cave at Nasik were excavated in with front pillar carved with gate base, gate capital, human figure. One such Vihara cave was also excavated at Junar, which is popularly known as Ganesh Leni because image of Ganesh belonging to later period was installed in it. Later the stupa was added to back of the hall of the Vihara. It became Chaitya Vihar. Stupa in the 4th and 5th century CE have a Buddha image attached. Junar has the largest cave excavation, more than 200 cave around the hill of the town, whereas Kanheri in Mumbai has 108 excavated cave. The most important sites are Ajanta, Pitholora, Ellora, Nasik, Banja, Junar, Karle, Kanheri. Ajanta, Ellora, Kanheri continue to flourish. Next, origin of cave architecture. Prehistoric age, Stone Age, natural cave used as a rock shelter cannot be considered as a man-made architecture. In this rock shelter, painting are found. Based on painting, we can understand as a socio-economic condition of a that period. prehistoric age. Burjao, Mehergarh, Chirand, Koildiwa, Mahagara, Mumbai, Inamgaon, Hunzi, Hulur, Brahmagiri, Piyampalli, Adi, Adi Chaluru, Darjeeling handling. Source of their life start: hunting, gathering, making of stone tool, painting on cave wall. How did the work? Who did the work? Hunted, made tool, painted, gather. Man and woman both together. Different tasks as per practice. Till 1200 year ago, people used to live like this. Painting Bhimbetka, साउथ में साउदर्न यूपी showed accuracy and skill. Vedic and later Vedic. No evidence of cave architecture found. No evidence of cave architecture found. Mahajanpada. Period of Siddharth Gautam. Vardhaman Mahavir. Evidence of cave architecture found. Ajatasattu, king of Haryanka dynasty, follower of Buddha, first Buddhist council. Depicted sculpture of Bharat. Period of Siddharth Gautama. Ajatasattu, king of Haryanka dynasty, follower of Buddha, first Buddhist council. Ajatasattu, king of Haryanka dynasty, follower of Buddha, first Buddhist council. Depicted sculpture of Bharat. Inscription mention about construction of Chaitya and Vihar, but no archaeological source are found directly to collateral of inscription. Saptarni cave, Satapani at Rajgir. Probable place for Buddha stayed during Vihar. First Buddhist council took place. Saptaparni cave. Satapani at Rajgir. Saptaparni cave at Rajgir. Saptaparni cave, probably place where a Buddha stayed during Vihara. First Buddhist council took place. Saptaparni cave. Satapani at Rajgir. Saptaparni cave, Rajgir. Probable place where Buddha stayed during Vihar. First Buddhist council took place. Mauryan age. Saptaparni cave, फर्स्ट बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल टुक प्लेस. ठीक है. मौर्यन एज 325 से 185 BCE. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, बिंदुसार, अशोका, लेटर मौर्य डिक्लाइन. अशोका के बराबर दशरथ के नागार्जुनी हिल. आजा गुफाओं में आ. बोध गया, तिरुमलपनी, तोसील, कालिंग. अशोका केव, बराबर केव, इन्फ्लुएंस बाय लोम्स ऋषि. सुदामा केव विच वेयर एक्सकेवेटेड अराउंड 250 BC इन बराबर हिल इन बिहार. बराबर केव अशोका बनाया. बराबर केव इन्फ्लुएंस बाय लोमास ऋषि एंड सुदामा केव. इसको हाईलाइट करो. अशोका केव, बराबर केव इन्फ्लुएंस बाय लोमास ऋषि एंड सुदामा केव विच वेयर इन एक्सकेवेटेड अराउंड 250 BC इन बराबर हिल इन बिहार. अशोका केव, बराबर केव इन्फ्लुएंस बाय लोमास ऋषि एंड सुदामा केव विच वेयर एक्सकेवेटेड अराउंड 250 BC इन बराबर हिल इन बिहार. belong to Mauryan period. 4 cave, reign of Ashoka and his grandson Dasarath. Cave were made for Ajivika sake. Hundreds of rock-cut caves were made for Buddhist and Jain and Brahminical tradition. Policy of religious tolerance. Four major caves at Barabar Hill. Four major cave at Barabar Hill. Sudama Cave, Romas Rishi Cave, Karan Cooper Cave, Viswa Jopri. विश्वा जोपरी. फोर मेजर केव एट बराबर हिल जो कि बिहार में है. सुदामा केव, लोमास ऋषि केव, करण कूपर केव, विश्वा झोपड़ी केव. सुदामा केव, लोमास ऋषि केव, करण कूपर केव, विश्वा झोपड़ी केव. सुदामा केव, रोमास ऋषि केव, करण झूपर केव, विश्वा झोपड़ी केव. वुड इमिटिंग चैम्बर विद देयर वॉल पॉलिश लाइक ग्लास मिरर. रॉक कट केव, बराबर हिल्स नियर गया इन बिहार, नोन एज लोमास ऋषि केव. रॉक कट केव एट बराबर हिल नियर गया इन बिहार इज नोन एज लोमास ऋषि केव. यह है लोमास ऋषि केव एंट्रेंस डिटेल. Facade decorate with semi-circular Chaitya arc as an entrance. Elephant fringe carved in a high relief on Chaitya arc shown as a considerable movement. Interior wall rectangular with circular chamber at back. Entrance is located on side wall of hall. Cave was patronized by Ashok for Ajivika sake. Isolated example of this period, but many Buddhist caves of subsequent period were excavated in eastern and western India. Barabar Hill, circular vaulted chamber with rectangular mandap. Circular vaulted chamber with rectangular mandapa. Hut style fade with entrance to cave in earliest survival of Ogi shaped, Chaitya arc and Chandrasala. Fridge of elephant found. Term fridge, FRIEZE, term fridge. Barabar cave, circular vaulted chamber with rectangular mandapa. Hut style phased with entrance to the cave in earliest survival of Ogi shaped, Chaitya arc and Chandrasala. Fridge of elephant found. Fridge of elephant, FRIEZE, fridge of elephant. Fridge of elephant, FRIEZE. Phrase, FRIEZE, phrase of elephant found. Phrase of elephant found. Phrase of elephant found. रोमास ऋषि केव, सुदामा केव. ये बराबर हिल राजगीर में बना, मतलब गया में बनाया गया है, वही हो गया गया राजगीर, और अशोका बनवाया था. रोमास ऋषि केव, सुदामा केव. बराबर केव, सर्कुलर वोल्टेड चैम्बर विथ रेक्टेंगुलर मंडप. बराबर केव, सर्कुलर वोल्टेड चैम्बर विथ रेक्टेंगुलर मंडप. Hut style fade with entrance to the cave in the earliest survival of the Ogi shape and Chaitya arc of Chandrasala. Ogi shape, ये है ओगी शेप, OGE, ओगी शेप. ये हो गया ओगी शेप. बराबर हिल बिहार. ठीक है. नागार्जुनी के बिल्ड ड्यूरिंग टाइम ऑफ दशरथ. नागार्जुनी के बिल्ड ड्यूरिंग टाइम ऑफ दशरथ. नागार्जुनी दशरथ कौन था? दशरथ अशोक का ग्रैंडसन था, पोता था. नागार्जुनी के बिल्ड ड्यूरिंग टाइम ऑफ दशरथ. नागार्जुनी के बिल्ड ड्यूरिंग टाइम ऑफ दशरथ. थ्री केव डिस्कवर्ड. गोपी केव, मिर्जा मंडी, वेदांतिका कुंभ. 3 केव डिस्कवर्ड. गोपी केव, मिर्जा मंडी, वेदांतिका कुंभ. वेदांतिका कुंभ, गोपी केव, मिर्जा मंडी, वेदांतिका कुंभ, डेडिकेटेड टू monk of आजीविका शेख दशरथ, ग्रैंडसन ऑफ अशोका, लार्जेस्ट केव गोपी केव और मिल्क मेड केव, नागार्जुनी केव बिल्ड ड्यूरिंग टाइम ऑफ दशरथ, 3 केव डिस्कवर्ड गोपी केव, मिर्जा मंडी, वेदांतिका कुंभ, 3 केव डिस्कवर्ड गोपी केव, मिर्जा मंडी, वेदांतिका कुंभ, डेडिकेटेड टू monk ऑफ आजीविका शेख बाय दशरथ, ग्रैंडसन अशोका, लार्जेस्ट केव गोपी केव और मिल्क मेड केव, नागार्जुनी और गोपिका। ठीक है। पोस्ट मौर्यन इंडिया, फॉरेन इन्वेजन, इंडो ग्रीक, स्कैंडियन, पर्शियन, कुषाण, मौर्यन, सुंग, कनवास, सतवाना, खारवेला, संगमेर, 1st century and 3rd century, इंडो ग्रीक, ये पोस्ट मौर्यन 2000 BCE to 500 year period, different dynasty came to power in different region. Satavahana started building cave in Western Ghat. Kharvela dynasty also built up cave in Kalinga. ये खारवेला dynasty also built cave in कलिंगा और सतवाना केव बिल्ड वेस्टर्न घाट में पोस्ट मौर्यन में। अर्ली सतवाना केव, मैन इंस्क्रिप्शन एविडेंस और स्तूपा मेंशनिंग डोनर एंड टाइम देयर प्रोफेशन, who used to build this cave, pattern of patronage, in what way this were built, very collective one, very few example of royal patronage range from lay devotee to Gahapati and kings, donation by guild also mentioned in several sites, a very few inscription mention name of artisan, Kanhana at Pitalkhora and his discipline, very few inscription mention of artisan, Kanhana at Pithalora and his discipline, Balka at कोंडेना केव। इसका पता करो भाई यूट्यूब से, नेट से। कन्हा एट पिट्ठलोरा एंड हिज डिसाइपल बल्का एट कोंडेना केव, आर्टिसियन स्टोन क्रेव एंड गोल्ड स्मिथ स्टोन polish carpenter also were mentioned. Method of working was collective in nature and at a time only specified portion of monument is said to be patronized by particular patron. The traders recorded their donation along with their place of origin. Pithalora, Junagadh, Bedsa, Bhanj, Kanhari, Karle, Naneghat, कोंडाना, महाकाली, नासिक, अजंता, केव ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर ड्यूरिंग सतवाना एंड लेटर पीरियड, पिठलोरा, जूनागढ़, बेदसा, बंज, कन्हेरी, कार्ले, नानेघाट, कोंडाना, महाकाली, नासिक, अजंता, पिठलोरा केव इन सतमाला रेंज ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट महाराष्ट्र, Pithalora cave in Satmala range of Western Ghat in Maharashtra. Pithalora cave at Satmala range. Pithalora cave at Satmala range of Western Ghat Maharashtra and are an early Buddhist cave. ये क्या था? Buddhist cave date back to 3rd century BCE, making them one of the earliest example of rock cut architecture. One of the earliest example of rock cut architecture in India. 14 rock cut cave, out of 14, 4 are Chaitya and rest are viharas. All cave belong to Heenan period, but painting are of Mahayana period. Pithalora cave सतमाला रेंज ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, बुद्धिस्ट केव है, 4 चैत्या 10 विहारा। कोंडेना केव रायगढ़ महाराष्ट्र. कोंडेनी केव रायगढ़ महाराष्ट्र. Kondeni cave, Raigad, Maharashtra. This cave has a 14 Buddhist cave. The cave were excavated in 14th century BCE. Construction on wooden pattern is a notable. Kondeni cave, Raigad, Maharashtra. Kondeni cave. Kondeni cave, Raigad, Maharashtra. This cave group has a 14 Buddhist cave. The cave were excavated in 1st century BCE. Construction of wooden pattern is notable. 14 paintings were recently discovered in Kondeni cave in Raigad district in Maharashtra. Raigad, Maharashtra. Baga cave, one of the oldest Deccan cave. Baja cave, wooden ceiling. Group of 22 rock cut cave and depicted typically early phase of Buddhist architecture, marked as a deep apsidal hall cut into solid rock with row of plain octagonal pillars near wall. Feature Chaitya Gira has opening horseshoe arc entrance. Another prominent part of cave is a group of 14 stupa. Stupa. Stupa has relics of monk who resided and died. Deep apsidal wall and octagonal pillar. Hindyan faith has a wooden ceiling over Chaitya Gir. Stupa has hole on top for inserting wooden umbrella. Octagonal pillar, Barsal vault gable. Baja cave or Baje cave, Bhaja, is a group of 22 rock cut dated back to 2nd century located in Pune near Lonavala, Maharashtra. ये बुद्धिस्ट केव है. The most prominent excavation is Chaityagar Cave 12, demonstrating prototype of wooden architecture and vaulted horseshoe ceiling. It's a vihara 15, 16, 17, 18 has a pillared varda in front and adorns with unique relief. These caves are notable for identification of awareness of wooden architecture. The carving proved that table and precious instrument was used in India for at least 200 years. Carving shown as a woman playing tabla and another woman performing dance. Wooden ceiling baja. Wooden ceiling baja. Reference बाजा केव. चैत्या केव 12. बाजा NCERT में भी है. बाजा बुद्धिस्ट से रिलेटेड है. कारले केव पैटर्न सिमिलर टू बाजा केव, डेवलप्ड in size and cylinder. Great Chaitya, it is largest rock cut Chaitya in India. Karle largest rock cut Chaitya in India, cut 124 feet deep into the rock. Pillar square strip hinged. Capital of horse and elephant to support roof, which was ribs of represent barrel vaulting. Sangharam monastery related to Mahasangika sect of Buddhism. In Karle, Buddhist rock cut Chaitya hall was excavated. The cave consists of opening courtyard with two pillars, a stone screen wall to protect from rain, and Varde stone screen wall as a facade, a spedal vault roof Chaitya hall with pillar. Stupa at back. Karle Chaitya hall is decorated with human and animal figure. They have a heavy जो भी Karle grave. Inscription found bearing different name. Nahapana शाका Shatrab, Yavana, devoted six pillar. Inscription of Satvana ruler Sri Pulam Pulyami, that is Visishti Putra Pulyami. Majority cave belonging to Mahasangika sect. Karle cave is a Karli near Lonavala, Maharashtra. Chaitya Hall, Karle non-NCRT. Kan Kanheri cave means black mountain in Sanskrit. Kanheri means black mountain in Sanskrit, located in north of Borivali in western outskirts of Mumbai, located in the forest of Sanjay Gandhi National Park. कान्हेरी केव संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क में लोकेटेड है और ब्लैक माउंटेन कहा जाता है, आउट स्कर्ट ऑफ मुंबई, बोरीवली में है लोकेटेड संजय गांधी ब्लैक माउंटेन. कन्हेरी कन्हेरी केव संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क. नेम ऑफ संस्कृत कृष्णागिरी विच मीन्स ब्लैक माउंटेन. Comprises of 109 cave carved out of basalt rock. Each cave has stone plinth that function as a bed. Influence of Mahayana is evidence. मतलब ये भी बुद्धिज़्म का. As a outer wall of cave bear image of Buddha. Inscription marriage of Satvana ruler Vasisht Putra Satkarni with daughter Rudradaman. Marriage of Satvana ruler Vasisht Putra Satkarni with daughter Rudraman. Inscription of Yajan Sri Satkarni. Inscription of Yajan Sri Satkarni. Inscription of Yajan Sri Satkarni. Kanheri Black Mountain, संजय गांधी नेशनल पार्क, बोरीवली के अगल बगल मुंबई से. फर्दर इलैबोरेटेड ऑफ कारा चैत्या hall plan is observed at Kanheri cave number 3. Though the cave interior was not fully finished, it shows carving progress from time to time. Subsequently, quadrangle flat roof variety become most preference design and extensively found at many places. Darbar cave part of Kanheri, similar to सप्तानी केव राजगीर. ये फर्स्ट बुद्धिस्ट काउंसिल हुआ था. दरबार केव पार्ट ऑफ कन्हेरी, सिमिलर टू सप्तपानी केव राजगीर. जूनागढ़ केव लोकेशन गुजरात, बुद्धिस्ट रिलीजन. जूनागढ़ केव लोकेशन गुजरात, बुद्धिस्ट रिलीजन. जूनागढ़ के लोकेशन गुजरात, बुद्धिस्ट रिलीजन. 3 separate site of room carved out of stone to be used as a monk quarter. Upper court, जूनागढ़ के लोकेशन गुजरात, बुद्धिस्ट के. 3 separate site of room carved out of stone to be used as a monk quarter. Upper court 2 to 3rd century CE. Satvana period influence from Greco-Scandian style. 30 to 50 feet artificial platform connected with stair to the hall. Khapara Khoida cave, dated to 3rd to 4th century BCE. Kangar Mahal. Khapra Khoida cave, dated 3rd century BCE. Kangar Mahal. Baba Pyare cave, outskirt of upper court fort complex, built during 1st century CE. Satvana period, mentioned by Hunsang Buddhist and Jain tradition. Baba Pyare cave. जूनागढ़ cave location गुजरात, बुद्धिस्ट रिलीजन. नासिक cave located महाराष्ट्र. 25 cave Hinayan Buddhism, 1st century AD. Group of 24 cave built during 1st century CE, 3rd century CE. They were built during reign of Satvana ruler Krishna. नासिक केव कहाँ पे? महाराष्ट्र में. महाराष्ट्र में नासिक केव। और हीनयान बुद्धिज़्म 1st century AD। और कौन बनवाया? सतवाहना रूलर कृष्णा ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज पदवालेनी। Trisami spiritual presence of Buddha is devoted to by a throne and footprint. Most of the cave are Bihara. 18 cave Chaityas. Inscription mention Gautami Putra Satkarni, mother of Gautami Balasri, had financed the construction of third cave. Contained a panel depicting Buddha Mahaparinirvana. Cave number 10 Nahapana. Cave number 3 Gautami Putra. Nasik cave inscription was made by Gautami Putra mother, a great queen Gautami Balsri, during reign of grandson Visishtiputra Pulamami. In order to record gift of cave number 3, full inscription consists of long Unglu Gautami Putra Satkarni, mentioning his Ballur, his military victory, and then her gift of cave in Nasik cave complex. Nasik cave, sculpture inside cave. Cave number 11 Jaina cave. Cave number 12 inscription mentioning its gift to merchant named Ramanaka. Cave number 17 Yana Vihar. Cave number 19 Krishna Vihar. Kana Vihar. Krishna inscription from king named Puran. Mahakali cave. Mahakali cave, also known as Konditi cave, located in eastern Andheri, city of Mumbai in western India. Mahakali, carved out of solid black basalt rock. Rock cut Buddhist cave situated in Udaygiri Hill, Mumbai. Excavated during those to 600 AD and are now in ruin. Comprise of 4 cave in southeastern face and 15 cave in northwestern face. Cave 9 is a chief cave, is the oldest and consists of stupa and figure of Lord Buddha. Leo couple, wow, what a place to do pre-wedding photo shoot. ले यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट, इसको कैसे याद करूं? गणेश लेनी, जुनार केव, लियादिरी, about 30 rock cut Buddhist cave near Junar in Pune district, Maharashtra. Current name Liandiri literally mean mountain cave. Cave number 7 is a famous Hindu temple to the goddess Ganesh, also known as Ganesh Leni. It is essentially a Buddhist vihar, dwelling for monk Muslim meditation cell. Is a design in upper hall in 20 cell. Nane Ghat Pass was one of the trade route. It connect Konkan coast community with Deccan High Plateau through Junar. Nane means coin, Ghat means pass. Nane means coin and Ghat means pass. Rest stop for traveler. William Sky found them while hiking during summer of 1828. Naganika, likely the wife of Satkarni. Buddhist tradition, Vedic god like Dharm, Indra, Chandra and Surya. Mention of Samkaransa and Vasudev Krishna. Ajanta cave. Location Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Discovered in 19th century. Built on perpendicular cliff. Since the caves are on perpendicular side, there are not many chaityas. 29th century Buddhist cave, 2nd century BC, while other are also late of 7th century AD. Cave 9, 10, 12, 13. 9 and 10 are known as a Buddhist mural painting. Perpendicular cliff. अजंता तो मुंबई में ना होगा. पोस्ट मौर्यन इंडिया. 200 से 300 CE 500 period. Different dynasty came to power in different religion. Satvana started building cave in Western Ghat. Kharvela dynasty also built up cave in Kalinga. सतवाना यहाँ बनाएगा वेस्टर्न घाट, खारवेला कलिंग में बनाएगा. पहले इंडो ग्रीक, फिर स्कैंडियन, पर्सियन, लास्ट में कुसाना. आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझिए. इंडो ग्रीक, स्कैंडियन, पर्सियन, लास्ट में कुसाना. उदयगिरी एंड कांधागिरी केव situated on two adjacent hill. Udagiri and Kandhagiri are located near city of Bhubaneswar. ये हम उड़ीसा में आ गए हैं. सेकेंड सेंचुरी BCE ड्यूरिंग रेन ऑफ किंग खारवेला. कटक केव और कटक केव particularly natural and partially artificial cave situated on two adjacent hill. Udagiri and Kandhagiri cave situated on two adjacent hill. Udagiri and Udyangiri and Kandhagiri are located near city of Bhubaneswar. Second century BCE during reign of King Kharvel. Residential block for Jain monk. Udayagiri means sun rises hill and has 18 cave including Rani Gufa, Ganesh Gumpa, Hathi Gufa, Vaigad Gufa. Rani Gufa largest. Kandhagiri has a 15 cave which include Navagiri, Desav, Anant Gufa. Rock cut cave traditional also exist in Odisha. Earliest cave built at Udayagiri, Kanagiri is a vicinity of Bhubaneswar. Udayagiri and Kandhagiri cave is vicinity of Bhubaneswar. These caves are sacred and have inscription of Kharvela king. According to inscription, the cave are meant for Jain monk. There are numerous single cell excavations. Some have been carved in a huge independent boulders and given shape of animal. The big cave include cave with pillared veranda and cell at back. The upper part of cell is decorated in a with a series of chaitya arch and narrative that still continue in folklores of region. Detail of Varanda, Udayagiri, Kandhagiri. Udayagiri cave 18 cave. Rani Gufa cave of Kyun, largest and most popular double storied and carved Dwara Pala image. Manchapuri, Swarangpuri Gufa depicted two male figure and two female figure worship of Kalinga Jin that Kharvela brought back to Magad. Ganesh Gufa named due to carved figure of Ganesh on back of right cell built in later period evolved on Basavatta prince of Ujjaini and king Udayan of Kusambi in company of Vasantaka. Vagra Gufa, largest mouth of tiger in single cell in cave acting as a tiger throat. Udayagiri cave at 18. Hathi Gufa, elephant cave is auspicious Jain Mokar Mantra. Siddhant for Jainism. Inscription compiled for King Kharvela. Refer as a Kharvela feat of bring back Jain image which is taken by Nand Empire. Also mention about Sangam dynasty चोला चेरा पांड्या. हाथी गुफा में जैन. हाथी गुफा में जैन का था. King Kharvela refer as a Kharvela feat bring back Jain image which was taken by Nanda Empire. Also mentioned about Sangam dynasty Chola Chera Pandya. Cave at Kandhagiri. Cave 15. Anant Gufa. Anant Gufa sculpture of human and elephant and geese. Tanduli Gufa. तंदुली गुफा, अनंत गुफा, तंदुली गुफा, ना नामा मुनि गुफा, नवा मुनि, स्कल्पचर ऑफ 9 Jain Tirthankars and Sasank Devas, sculpture added by Somavasni dynasty 11th century CE. त्रिशूला गुफा, अनंत गुफा, तंदुली गुफा, नमा मुनि गुफा, जैन तीर्थंकर, सोमावसी डायनेस्टी, त्रिशूला गुफा, त्रिशूला थ्री, स्कल्पचर ऑफ ऋषभ देव हु इज फाउंडर ऑफ कायोस्थरा पोस्चर, अंबिका गुफा, relief sculpture, two of Rishabh Anand and one arm the Sasank Devi Neminatha. Gupta age and post Gupta period. Gupta and their feudatories Vakataka, Chandragupta II, Kumar Gupta, Vakataka, King Harisena. Kumar Gupta. Culture, Gupta art, rock-cut cave, extension change in ornament of faded with their design of pillar in interior. Ajanta, Bagh, Udaygiri, Mandargiri. Udaygiri, 20 rock-cut cave near Visishtha Great Bor, Vahar, at entrance of cave Udaygiri. 9 Hindu cave, 1 Jain cave image. Vaishnavism, Vishnu. Shaktism, Durga and Mantri, and Shivaism, Shiv. Region of Chandragupta II and Kumar Gupta इतना. उदयगिरी केव. हिंदू इतना 9 केव हिंदू, 1 जैन केव. विष्णु भगवान है. शक्तिज्म, दुर्गा एंड मैत्रिका. शिवाइज्म, रेन ऑफ चंद्रगुप्त II एंड कुमार गुप्त. उदयगिरी. मंदारगिरी, सिद्ध क्षेत्र, पैलेस ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ 12 तीर्थंकर, वासुपूज्य स्वामी, ब्यूटीफुल केव टेम्पल विथ 5 feet हाई स्टैंडिंग आइडल. बाग केव. 9 रॉक कट मोनोमेंट, बिहार डिस्ट्रिक्ट, मध्य प्रदेश, नोन एज मुराल पेंटिंग. मंदारगिर. 12 तीर्थंकर, मतलब ये भी जैन हो गया तीर्थंकर. मंदारगिर. बाग केव, 9 रॉक कट मोनूमेंट, धार डिस्ट्रिक्ट, मध्य प्रदेश, नोन फॉर मुराल पेंटिंग. लोकेटेड ऑन बैंक ऑफ रिवर बागनी. Bagni. Buddhist cave in form of vihar and similar to Ajanta architecture. Bagh Cave, group of 9 rock-cut monuments situated in Madhya Pradesh. Bagh Cave, Madhya Pradesh, more expression than those of Ajanta. All cave of Vihara and 9 out of cave only have 5 survivors. Rang Mahal Cave, famous for their mural painting as of wall of veranda of cave. Procession of elephant and scene of dancer and human musicians are depicted. Other notable cave site in Bagh located near Indore in Madhya Pradesh. 9 rock-cut monuments situated among south slope of Vindhyas. Bagh cave, like those of Ajanta, were excavated by master craftsmen on perpendicular sandstone rock face of hill on the far bank of seasonal stream and Bagni. Bagh Cave. Painting in Bagh Cave, Bodhisattva. Ajanta Cave, location Aurangabad, Maharashtra, discovered in 19th century. Built on perpendicular cliff. Since the cave are of perpendicular side, there are no many chaityas. 29th Buddhist cave. 2nd century BCE, while other are at late 7th century AD. Second phase, Satvana phase, Vakataka phase. Satvana, Yin Yang phase as a symbolic representation of Buddha was done. Focus was given on stupa. Vakataka, Gupta and post-Gupta. Buddha was depicted as a human, thus it also known as a Mahayana face. Painting as well as rock cut sculpture based on Jataka tale narrating life of Buddha. Fresco painting Fayan and Huanshan mentioned in Ajanta. Mentioned by Chinese pilgrim Hun Sang. Cave number 10, 9 and 10 attributed to Satavahana king Ajanta. They are entirely Buddhist. Aurangabad, Maharashtra. It is interest to note that Chinese Buddhist pilgrim Huinsang and Fayan refer to Ajanta in account of their travel. Also by Mughal era official of Akbar. Out of 29 excavation, 4 are Chaitya Hall and rest are Vihar. How modern discover was made. Local were aware about cave. 28 April 1819, British official John Smith, named John Smith, one of the 28th Cavalry, while hunting tiger, discovered entrance to cave number 10 when local shepherd boy guided him to the location and the door. 1848 published in Royal Asiatic Society, Basalt Deccan Trap, belonging to Creator period. मध्य प्रदेश अजंता एलोरा. अजंता ऊपर है, एलोरा नीचे में है. औरंगाबाद. अजंता आर ऑन क्लिफ साइड ऑफ माउंटेन. ये इधर क्लिफ साइड ऑफ ऑन माउंटेन, वेयर एज एलोरा आर ऑन स्लोप साइड. अजंता आर ऑन ऑफ क्लिफ साइड ऑफ माउंटेन. अजंता आर ऑन cliff side of mountain, whereas Ellora are on slope side. Wagora river. Wagora river. Wagora river. Wagora river. Ajanta के built in two phase. Satavahana period 9-10 इतना एंड वकाटका पीरियड. दो पीरियड में अजंता केव बना था. सतवाना पीरियड एंड वकाटका पीरियड. कंटिन्यूशन ऑफ अर्लियर क्रेप. रेस्ट ऑल आर विहार. अजंता के बिल्ड इन टू फेस. सतवाना पीरियड एंड वकाटका पीरियड. ये है वेलोर रिवर. वेलोर रिवर. वहोरा रिवर. वहोरा रिवर. ये अजंता, ये एलोरा. Ajanta has 29 cave. It has a 4 chaityas. Earliest phase, second phase, yeah. First period, second period, Mahayana. Heenyan, first period, second Yan, Mahayana. Built during Satavahana dynasty, during reign of Emperor Hari Singh of Vakataka dynasty. पहला पीरियड में हीनयान सतवाना डायनेस्टी, सेकेंड पीरियड में महायान वकाटका डायनेस्टी हरिसेना. हीनयान एंड महायान फेज आर also were well defined, first being similar, second being much more decorative and characterized by image of Buddha. Cave are unique in that they combine free of architecture, sculpture and painting. Chaitya. Cave number 29 is very big and entire interior wall has a carved with variety of Buddha image. Biggest one is महापरिनिर्वाणा. 26 में महापरिनिर्वाणा हो गया. 19 and 29. Second period चैत्या डेकोरेटिव फेस बोधिसत्वा इमेज. 19 में बोधिसत्वा इमेज और 26 में महापरिनिर्वाणा. अजंता पेंटिंग. Such development in painting need to be understood in context of religious requirement. NCRT name. Among the most important patron at Ajanta were Varadha Deva, Varaha Deva Cave number 16. The Prime Minister of Vakataka, King Harisena Upendra Gupta, patron of 19 से 20. The local king of the region, feudatory of Vakataka King Harisena Buddha Bhadra, patron of 26. मथुरा दशा, पैट्रन ऑफ केव नंबर 19. मथुरा दशा इतनी गुफा बनाने के कारण और यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट की जान लेने के लिए तुम्हें गोली मारकर गद्दार कहूँ भाग यहाँ से, ले छुट्टी ले अजंता के गुफा बनाऊंगा. मैं छुट्टी लेके अजंता की गुफा बन. सही है. स्कल्पचर पैनल ऑफ वरांडा ऑफ केव नंबर 2 अजंता. पेंटिंग ऑफ बुद्धा यशोधरा एंड राहुल केव नंबर 17 अजंता. अप्सरा केव नंबर 17 अप्सरा केव नंबर 17 अजंता. किंग वाइट एलिफेंट ऑफ जकार्ता टेल्स केव नंबर 17. केव नंबर 1. केव नंबर 2. केव नंबर 4 बुद्धा प्रीचिंग. केव नंबर 9 विद डिसिप्लिन एंड डियर. केव नंबर 9 ओरिजिनल सतवाना लेटर ऑन महायान इमेज वेयर मेड. केव नंबर 11 बुद्धा विथ नीलिंग डिवोटी. केव नंबर 19 स्टैंडिंग बुद्धा केव बाय उपेंद्र गुप्त. नागर राजा इन अर्ध पारग्य आसान विथ वाइफ होल्डिंग लोटस एंड वेयरिंग मंगल सूत्र. केव नंबर 20 बुद्धा ऑन लायन थ्रोन. केव नंबर 26 मारा विजय. Cave number 26 is very big and entire interior wall carved with variety of Buddha image. Biggest one is Mahaparinirvana image. उदयगिरी केव नियर सांची एमपी. ये कैसा उदयगिरी है? उदयगिरी केव नियर सांची एमपी. द टॉल स्टैचू ऑफ विष्णु बोर अवतार. दिस इमेज इज a personal image of चंद्रगुप्त सेकेंड. चंद्रगुप्त सेकेंड का ये इमेज है. ये उदयगिरी केव सांची एमपी वाला उदयगिरी है. टोटल केव 20, एक जैनिज्म और 19 हिंदुज़म. उड़ीसा वाला ने एमपी वाला. पोस्ट गुप्ता पीरियड हर स्नो केव वेयर बिल्ड. चालुक्य ऑफ बादामी केव वेयर क्रिएटेड ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड. पल्लवा ऑफ कांची. हर्ष नहीं बनाया. चालुक्य ऑफ बादामी केव वेयर क्रिएटेड ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड. पल्लवा ऑफ कांची. ट्रेडिशन ऑफ rock cut cave continued in Deccan and they were found in Maharashtra and Karnataka, mainly at Badami and Ahiol, executed under patronage of Chalukya. In Andhra Pradesh, in area of Vijayawada, Karnataka, mainly at Badami and Ahiol, executed under patronage of Chalukya. In Andhra Pradesh, the area in Vijayawada, Tamil Nadu, mainly in Mahabalipuram under patronage of Pallava. Cave temple at Mandagaputtu. Cave temple at Mandagaputtu. Trumurti temple built by Mahendra Marwan I. First cave temple of Tamil Nadu dedicated to Brahma, Shiva, Vishnu. Hold significant position in history of architecture of Pallava. Inscription of Sanskrit Garth script. Other cave temple Mahasi Surmardi cave temple. Krishna cave temple. Mahasi Surmardi temple Vahar. Kotikal cave. Tiger cave temple also known as Yelli. Panch Pandava cave located in Mamlapuram. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Arjuna Penance, also known as a descent of Ganga, built by Pallava. Open air rock. Story of descent and sacred river Ganga to earth from heaven led by Bhagirath. Badami cave, example of Chalukya architecture, decorated pillar, interiorly carved sculpture, and finally it was group of 4 rock cut cave temple, 3 Brahmical and 1 Jain. The Jain cave temple was built around century later from earlier temple. The cave largest cave is cave number 3, which is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. It is oldest. It is also oldest Badami cave. The most temple building activity of Chalukya was concentrated in Badami, Ayol, Pataka, Patakakal, Maduku in modern Karnataka. Badami cave, Karnataka. Cave in cliff above Asthaig Lake, Agastya Lake. Nataraja or Tandav dancing Shiva in cave number 1. Vishnu Vara rescuing Earth Bhumi Dev cave number 2. Badami cave. Cave on cliff of Asthagya Lake. ये आ सकता है, ये आ सकता है. अगस्त्या लेक. बदामी के अगस्त्या लेक, अगस्त्या लेक, अगस्त्या लेक. नटराज केव नंबर 1. विष्णु वराहा rescuing earth as a Bahudevi, cave number 17. Left. Cave number 3 is the largest and dedicated to Vishnu. Right, Vishnu seated on Sarpan Sesa. Cave traditional in eastern India. Like Western India, Buddhist cave have been also excavated in eastern India, mainly in coastal region of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, Kalinga. One of the main site of Andhra Pradesh is Guntapelle in Allura district. One of the main site in Andhra Pradesh is Guntapelle in Allura district. The cave have been excavated in hill along with a structural monastery around 200 BCE with later addition. Perhaps it is among the very unique site where structure stupa Bihar cave are excavated at one place. Guntapelli Chaitya cave is a circular with stupa in circular hall and Chaitya are carved in entrance. The cave is relatively small when compared to cave in Western India. This excavation dated back to 2nd century BCE. गुंटापल्ली बुद्धिस्ट केव, गुंटापल्ली बुद्धिस्ट केव. रट लो रे बेटा. गुंटापल्ली बुद्धिस्ट केव ये कहाँ है? आंध्र प्रदेश में. गुंटापल्ली बुद्धिस्ट केव, गुंटापल्ली आंध्र प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश. Buddhist cave. The site has a 2 Buddhist cave, 2 Bihara made of bricks, chaitya and group of stupa. During excavation, 3 relic caskets were found. Casket had been many precious elements like gold, silver, crystal, bead. The bronze image of Padam Pani was found along with one casket. Inscription of casket was in Devanagari script, which noted the year 9th and 10th century AD. At Anakapalli near Visakhapatnam cave where excavated huge rock cut stupa are carved out of hillock during 4th and 5th century. It is a unique site as it has the biggest rock cut stupa in country. Anakapalli near Visakhapatnam cave where excavated huge rock cut stupa carved out in hillock during 4th and 5th century. It is a unique site as it is the biggest rock cut stupa in the country. Biggest rock cut stupa in the country. Anakapalli, Anakapalli, Anakapalli आंध्र प्रदेश में. अनाकापल्ली कहाँ पे है? रॉक कट स्तूपा अनाकापल्ली. लार्जेस्ट स्तूपा, लार्जेस्ट रॉक कट स्तूपा, लार्जेस्ट रॉक कट अनाकापल्ली, 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 अनाकापल्ली आंध्र प्रदेश. अनाकापल्ली आंध्र प्रदेश, 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 आंध्र प्रदेश, अनाकापल्ली आंध्र प्रदेश, अनाकापल्ली आंध्र प्रदेश, बोजनकोंडा, लिंगलकोंडा are two Buddhist sites which exist on adjacent hillock near village called Sankaram in Visakhapatnam district, located just few kilometers from Anapalli. Rampa Yarenpalli village. Apart from Guntapalli, other important cave is a site Ramparam Palam, which is very modern small excavation built stupa. गुंटापल्ली बुद्धिस्ट केव आंध्र प्रदेश में. अन्नापल्ली लार्जेस्ट रॉक कट स्तूपा इन आंध्र प्रदेश. स्तूपा मतलब वहाँ पे तो आ ही जाएगा बुद्धिज़्म. अर्ली मिडाइपल इंडिया 750 से 1000 BC, 1000 से 1200 CE. राष्ट्रकूटा, एलोरा एंड एलिफेंटा केव. राष्ट्रकूटा, एलोरा एंड एलिफेंटा केव. परमारा डायनेस्टी, शिवालेनी केव. किंग उदयादित्य. परमान डायनेस्टी. Ellora cave locally known as Varlu Leni, representing three major religions of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, lies on ancient trade route Dakshinapath. 34 Buddhist, Hindu and Jain cave, 12 Buddhist cave, 17 Hindu cave and 5 Jain cave, Indra Sava and जगन्नाथ सभा. 17 हिंदू केव, रावण की खाई, 10वां अवतार केव, 12 बुद्धिस्ट केव. All three forms of art are combined in this cave: architecture, sculpture and painting. Unique in terms of stylistic Eliasitism, confluence of many styles at one place. Ajanta also has excavated double-story cave, but at Ellora triple story. Triple story is a unique achievement. Ellora cave were carved out on sloping side of hill. Hence, most temple have a courtyard. Cave number 19 is a rock cut. Cave number 16 is a rock cut temple known as Kailas Leni, carved out of a single rock built by Rashtrakuta. Cave number 16 is a rock cut temple known as Kailas Leni, carved out of a single rock built by Rashtrakuta. कौन किया था? बाय राष्ट्रकूटा. कैलाश लेनी. 3-storied caves are also present UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ellora Cave, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ellora Cave, locally known as Varlu Leni, cut by Buddhist rock cut monastery, famous for largest monolithic excavation in the world. Great Kailas राष्ट्रकूटा बनाया था. सह्याद्री रेंज ऑफ डेक्कन, सह्याद्री रेंज ऑफ डेक्कन, यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट, बुद्धिस्ट, हिंदू, जैन मोनूमेंट. केव नंबर 16 फीचर द लार्जेस्ट single monolithic rock excavation in the world, Kailash temple, chariot shaped monument dedicated to Shiva. 17 Hindu. Cave number 13, 29 famous, known as Ravan ki Khai, 10वां अवतार केव is respectively. Buddhist 1 से 12, 5 Jain, 30, 34 Jain cave included Indra Sabha and Jagannath Sabha cave. Ellora, Wikipedia, built by Rashtrakuta dynasty and Yadav. Ellora cave, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. It is located 100 km from Ajanta. It has 32 Buddhist, Brahmical and Jain cave. It is a unique art historical site in a country, as it is a monastery associated with three regions dating from 5th century CE onward to 11th century CE. 34th century are actually structure carved out of a vertical face of Charan Charandri Hill. Hindu, Buddhist and Jain rock cut temple Bihara, Math were built between 5th century to 10th century. 17th Hindu, 12 Buddhist and 5 Jain. 12 Buddhist cave. There are 12 Buddhist cave having many image belonging to Vajrayana Buddhism like Tara, Mahamuri, Asokya, Al- A- Aloketeswar, Maitrika, Amitav. There are 12 Buddhist caves having image belonging to Vajrayana Buddhism like Tara, Mahamayuri, Asokyabha, Avalokiteswar, Maitrika, Amitabh Bachchan, Buddhism. Tara, Mahamayusri, Asok, Avsokya, Avalokiteswar, Maitrika, Amitabh. Buddhist cave is the biggest in size, are of single, double and triple story pillar are massive. The Ajanta also have excavated double storied cave but Ellora and triple story cave. Buddhist cave is a unique achievement. All cave were pastured and painted but nothing visible is left. Shrine Buddhism image are big in size. They are generally graduated by image of Padam Pani and Vajrapani. Tantric Buddhist god. Cave number 10 Buddha Vajrayank Mudra Visakha Karma cave. Seated Buddha Chaitya Hall cave number 10 Ellora. Only Chaitya at Ellora among Buddhist cave. The sculpture include those of Gautam Buddha, Bodhisattva and Saint. Cave number 10 also known as Visakha Varman cave is the only Chaitya most famous Buddhist cave at Ellora. The cave has pillared Virendra column, have massive square scarped Gath Palvas and foreign capital. The main hall is spiral on plain and is divided into central nave sided itna in absidal and the seated Buddha in Vaisakha Mudra. Teaching posture is carved. Ceiling of Chaitya Hall sculpture itna. Brahmical cave constructed during Kalachuri period from mid 6th century to end of 8th century into phase. First phase 28, 27, 19, 29, 21 excavated concurrently itna Brahmical cave seated Buddha Chaitya itna लो 10 बार मैरिज ऑफ शिवा पार्वती रावण की खाई 14 में है रावण से किंग कैलाश सब एलोरा में है कैलाश लेनी वो वाला भी कैलाश टेम्पल एलोरा में है राष्ट्रकूटा किंग बनवाया था A rock cut temple has been carved out at a single unique Kailash Leni based on Virupaksh temple, Kailash temple, Kanchi. During reign of Mughal Aurangzeb temple was ordered to demolished. Dedicated to Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, 10 avatar of Vishnu, Vedic god and goddess including Indra, Agni, Vayu, Surya, Vasu, as well as non-Vedic deities like Ganesh, Ardha, Narsimha, half Shiv, half Parvati, Hari, half Shiv and half Vishnu. Annapurna, Durga, carving from Ramayana and Mahabharata. Rameswar temple, cave number 21, goddess of Ganga at entrance, displays Sapt Matrika, 7, mother goddess of Shakti tradition. Nikalatha, carving of Surya in sailing. Domud Lena, one of the earliest excavation in Ellora. Indra Sabha, Jain. Indra Sabha Jain, five Jain cave at Ellora belong to Digambar sect. They are known as a detailed work in sculpture. Notable Jain cave are Chota Kailas, Indra Sabha and Jagannath cave. Chota Kailas, Indra Sabha and Jagannath cave. The notable Jain caves are Chota Kailas, इंद्र सभा एंड जगन्नाथ केव ये तीनों जैन का है. इंद्र सभा, जगन्नाथ केव, छोटा कैलाश. आउट ऑफ देम इंद्र सभा इज अ टू स्टोरीड केव with one monolithic shrine in its court. It has been very fine carving of lotus flower on ceiling. Its name is misnomer and derives from sculpture Yask Matsang on the elephant, which was mistaken Indra. It possesses imposing image of Ambika and Yaskini Neminatha, seat of lion under the mango tree, laden with fruits. महावीर, बाहुबली, साइदिका, elephant cave and other site. Elephant cave located near Mumbai. Elephant cave located near Mumbai, originally Buddhist site, which later demolished by Shivati Freight. It is contemporary with Ellora. Originally with Gharpuri cave. The city of cave, Elephant Cave, was founded by Portuguese, hence elephant. Established as a base of island, it is soldier damaged the sculpture and cave entrance to Elephant Cave. Elephant Cave and other side. Elephant side was first occupied by Hindyan faith worshipper. Stupa, creator in 2nd century BCE, coin of Western Chhatra, 4th century CE. Origin of cave between late 5th century to late 8th century AD. Colonial historical belonging to Rashtrakuta period. Elephant Cave located on Elephant Island in Mumbai. 5 Hindu, 2 Buddhist, carved from solid basalt rock. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cave number 1, main cave. रामा, ये कुछ है. ईस्टर्न विंग. नटराज. Located in Elephant Island in Mumbai. 7 Trimurti of Shiva. Parvati female, Shiv male. Elephant cave. Trimurti of Shiva. 5 Buddhist, 5 Hindu, 2 Buddhist. Island of coastal Bombay. Originally supposed to be Buddhist site, but later this cave was dominated by Shiva faith. Great Trimurti figure of Shiva. Shiva is a Trimurti figure of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and some other notable sculpture including Ravan shaking Kailash, Tandav dance of Shiva, and Ardhanarishwar. Main cave, Shiva Parvati on Kailash and Ravan lifting Kailash. Second, elephant. Remember, shaking Kailash, cave number 16, Ellora. Elephanta cave, main. गंधार, अंधा सुर्खपदा, नटराज, त्रिमूर्ति, Ardhanareshwar. At Elephanta Cave, note the sculpture left in female, right in male, depicting Shiva as a consort of Parvati. Sapt Matrika or seven mother, along with Parvati, Kritika, and Ganesh, symbolic represent as a seven different aggressive tendency of female part of human being, tend to destroy wellness that comes out of fostering mother. Brahma Maheshwari, also known as Rudri or Rudrani or Maheshwari in Shakti of Shiva. Adi Misri, Elephanta Cave, Gharpuri Cave, Trimurti Mahesh Murti. Significance: central attraction here is a 20-foot high bust of deity in three-head form. Mahesh Murti is built deep in a recess and loom for darkness to fill the full height of cave. Agori's aggression of Shiva, where he is intendant of destruction. Ardh Nareswar depicted Lord Shiva as a half man and half woman. Mahayogi posture symbolize meditation aspect of God. Montage's pair Mandeveswar के मुंबई. Mandeswar के मुंबई, located in Mandeswar, dated to 8th century, probably only Brahmical cave in to be converted into Christian shrine. Monty Peace Mandeswar के मुंबई, located in Mandeswar, dated to 8th century, ब्राह्मण का था, अब उसको क्रिश्चियन में बदल दिया. लोकेशन माउंट महाराष्ट्र रिवर Daisar, built in between 5th to 6th century BC as a Buddhist cave created by Buddhist monk, and then they hired traveling Persian to paint. Later on, by 8th century, cut rock dedicated to Shiva, sculpture by Nataraj. Such Shiva sculpture of Ardhaneshwar, the portrait of converted this cave. Immaculate Conception of Church. अर्ली मिडाइवल राजपूत, फ्रेगमेंटेशन ऑफ राजपूत क्लैन 1000 से 1200 से, फ्रेगमेंटेशन ऑफ गुर्जर प्रतिहार, चालुक चौहान सोलंकी परमार चंडेला गंधाव. केव वेयर बिल्ट. सिबलेनी केव परमारा डायनेस्टी. सिबलेनी केव सिबलेनी जोगी मंडप हाथी कांट इन Maharashtra cave monument which dated back King Uday Aditya reign itna from Parmara dynasty of Malwa. Uday Aditya Maha Mandeswar के bank of Jainavati river. शिव सप्त महारिका खास and गणेश. नादी मंडप जोगी मंडप located below. Thank you.